Well, I got myself another keyboard. This one here I'm hoping is going to replace this Casio that I bought for 20 bucks a while back. The Casio is pretty decent, but it doesn't have any of this learning stuff on it. This one here you can set it up to show you how to play songs and chords and all this other stuff. The trouble is I trash picked this and I don't have the proper adapter for it, so I don't know if it works yet. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably tear it apart and just make sure there's nothing going on inside of it, blown capacitors or anything like that, and I'll try to find an adapter. I took a better look at the symbols on this DC port. So this part here is normally negative. On this thing it's positive. So this is my Casio 9-volt adapter, which is the same voltage as this, but luck would have it won't friggin' fit. It's too small. Alrighty, so since I can't find the proper adapter, I thought what I'd do is I have one of these cords that will fit, the jack fits, and this came off of another old adapter, so I thought what I'd do is try to so she works. Huh. Well, I'll be darned. Something just that simple. So I guess I gotta find a 9-volt adapter because I don't want to ruin the one to my other keyboard. Okay, so I found a adapter that's pretty close in voltage and amperage as the other one. The problem is that this one, the polarity is opposite of what I need, so I'm going to tear this apart, or at least I'm going to try to, and I'm going to reverse the polarity. So this one luckily seems to have screws in it, so it might be easier than I thought. Probably not going to need the hammer or the knife. Oh, by the way, this was a freebie. Came in a box of junk that I picked up. Actually, it wasn't junk, really. The guy was going to throw this stuff out, but it's a bunch of good sockets, deep sockets, and pretty good pair of needle nose, these bendy ones. Little stuck, but otherwise not too bad. Alrighty. Is that sucker gonna come apart? Maybe they're tricking. I think they might be tricking. They still got that sealed by the looks of things. So maybe a little whack with the hammer will bust her open. Yeah, that did it. So to remember that the one on that side's gotta go on that side. Just throw the cover on there real quick. And we'll see if she works. There we go. All finished. Works like a charm.